Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you the best Monopoly Go hack in 2024 to get unlimited dice rolls and money. The steps in the video are laid out step by step and it's super quick, simple and easy. We successfully tested it out and it works instantly whether you're using Android or iOS. It's super quick, and before you know it, you'll be enjoying all the brand new dice rolls you've received from following this hack. So I hope you enjoy it as much as I do, and let's get into the video. As you can see, the dice rolls are loading up very quickly, which is very good. So you can not need to wait too long as you're doing this. And it works on both Android and iOS. I've literally just done it now, which is why you can see the dice rolls rolling in, pun intended. You can choose as many as you want and it's still going. But I'll show you exactly how now. It's quick and easy, just follow the steps in this video. So here's Monopoly Go, that's what it looks like. You can download it in the App Store or the Play Store, Monopoly Go. Just go to this website, lootmod.com. This is what it looks like. Got some new games, trending, new apps, etc. You just want to type in the app of your choice, which is Monopoly Go for today. There it is. All we're going to do now is just click download. And there you go, it's processing right now. So yeah, just got to be a little patient now until it finishes downloading. And there will also be one more step after, which is just the human verification step. Just so they know that you're human, you got to do a couple steps to verify. But it'll show the exact tutorial instructions on the page. Super simple, quick and easy. Probably have to download a couple apps, just so they are sure that it's a human using this. And it's not a robot, as you know. But yeah, I'm excited for you to get all these dice rolls. It's a lot of fun to use and play with, not having to worry about running out or actually spending money to buy them. So I'm really glad we found this hack, and I'm glad to be able to share it with you all today. I know you're going to enjoy it as much as I do. But yeah, just cut ahead just because it would have taken a bit too long for you to see. But yeah, download the apps. We'll go back into Monopoly Go. And give it a second for it to load in. Awesome, there it is. As I said, super simple, quick and easy. Just follow the steps in this video along with that tutorial that they show, and you'll get as many dice rolls as you please, completely for free. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Let us know how you found this hack. And have a lovely day.